I was disgusted.
Now I look at the pictures and I say, oh, that's so beautiful.
Okay, today is day 130. Wednesday, right?
I have no idea.
I have no idea. September 15th. We are slack packing today, going north. Back to New Hampshire. No. No, we're slack packing 20 miles from McAfee Knob Trailhead back to the hotel. Oh, there's a lot of day hiking. I'm hiking with FREEFALL. Please don't free fall. Not today. She's also from Dallas.
Master's degree.
Oh, in what?
Aerospace engineering?
Oh, high profile. We've seen a lot of hikers around. This is a popular area. And we'll be in McAfee Knob in a few miles. Wow, very well maintained. I'm out of breath. 1.2 miles to McAfee Knob. I'm huffing and puffing. Power lines. Oh, it smells good. So my new shoes feel great. I don't feel any rocks. But as a dancer, usually the rule is you want to feel the floor to be able to use your foot and strengthen the muscles to push off. So there's less feeling of that. But the good thing is I don't feel the rocks. What is that overlook? Do I need to go there? No. We'll test it on the way down. I am almost to McAfee Knob here. I don't trust the grip yet because it feels completely different. Went back and go to the overlook. I didn't know we're supposed to go to the overlook. But that's not it. Is that it? Oh, I could have missed it if you're not here. Whew. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. We're finally here. Have you been here? A lot of rocks.
She never had her foot x-rayed.
Oh.
She had a stress fracture all that time.
Wow.
Walking. And that's why she didn't have it. She knew.
I would know if something like that happened to
She knew she had a stress fracture, but she just
ignore it. Hmm.
Well, even at night I can't sleep unless I take it.
Oh, because you have like something throbbing?
Yeah, my hip hurts and my feet hurt.
Oh, wow. Another shelter there. But I'm not stopping. So many shelters. Past 3 already. Since it's a very popular trail. Oh, guess what this trail is? It's Easy Trail Bobo Trail. I'm boboing on this trail. So weird. Bushwhacking. Oh, so long. A lot of bees too. Hopefully I don't get stung. Let's go fast. Is it this way or that way? Oh, something's biting my back. 1 second. Oh, it's that way. So this is mile 717.1. Ledges. 2.3 miles away from Tinker Mountain and Tinker Cliffs. There's so many of this flowers and I have to bushwhack and there's a lot of bees. I think I got stung once, I don't know. I'm not allergic so. And it's downhill. Make sure. Yes. So many parts like this. Oh my gosh. I can hear it zing zing bzz, 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 bzz. 0.1 mile to Tinker Cliff. Ooh, cool. But the AT goes this way. Oh, it's been uphill, of course. Hiking, climbing the Tinker Mountain. A lot of camping spots around, but there's no water. Still walking along the cliffs. I noticed my shoes are slightly heavier, slightly. It's amazing that I can notice. This is Lambert's Meadow Shelter, and supposedly this is the only water source of the whole section, so I'm gonna look for the water they're talking about.
That's how you learn lessons.
Okay, I got half a liter of water to get me through Daleville to Daleville. Only 9 more miles, so it's not much. And I generally don't drink so much water. This is a campsite, Lambert Meadows campsite, and there's a bear box, very nice, and a picnic table. Usually you don't see a picnic table and a bear box on a tent sites, on a campsite. Only at shelters usually. That's pretty cool. That's the mileage. I'm going to US 220, 8.7 more miles. That's it. Piece of cake. Oh, look. Come. Oh. It was us standing in the middle of the trail looking at me with that tilted head. It's so cute. Ooh, I like this. It's 2 o'clock and I'm at mile 722.7. That means I only have less than 8 miles. Probably get there around 5:30 or 5:15. The terrain is not hard at all. The only climb I had was the McAfee Knob and Tinker Cliff, and I am past all that. Right now it's downhill. It is now 3 o'clock. I am at mile 725. 5.3 more miles into Daleville or US 220. My legs are tired. A little more tired on the knees today. I don't know why. Maybe the new shoes have something to do with it. I don't know, but I'll get used to it. So far I've walked 15 miles, so another 5.3. I can't wait to have margaritas at Pancho. Pancho. That was a little climb. And rocky too. We got some POWERLINE here now. Oh, so tired. Oh. 4.3 more miles to go. I love Virginia still. This is mile 726. Whoa, look at this rock. Wow. It's good to stay underneath when it's raining. It's like a roof. You can camp here, shielded from rain. Very cool. Oh, where does it go? Oh, straight. Oh, I have to climb this. Maybe here. I bet it's here. Good job, sheep. More rocks here. Oof. It's hot. River. Mile 7 to 7.5. There's a power line. Wow, look at this view. Oh my goodness. Look at this first. Power line and the view here. Wow. There's a little island there. Bye-bye view. That's town. So rocky. Another view here. So many views today. I'm gonna stand on this rock. Look at that. What do you think? You can hear the electricity. Can you hear it? Look at the surrounding. It looks like a mess. I'm less than 2 miles away. I believe. See, there's a dirt road. The trail today has been interesting. A lot of views. Only one water source in a 20-mile stretch. A lot of bushwhacking. Got stung by a bee. But at the end, I'm going to get a margarita. Frozen with salt. Alright. Look. Margaret. Margaret, remember me? You walk all the way from Shenandoah, Margaret? Hello. Margaret. Lady Margaret. You're so cute. Hi. You look good, Margaret. Bye-bye. 0.7 more miles. Hello. Margaret. Hey, hello. Almost there. Oh, my feet hurt. My lower back is tight. I'm thirsty. Oh, water source. Whoa, it's like a stage. You can have a performance. You, look at the dirty water. Oh, there's so many of them in there. Like 5 deer. Hello, Margaret, Elizabeth, Mary. My estimate was correct. I am like nearby the road, US 220, and it's 5:15 p.m. Oh my god, such a long day. Oh, I want to see the road. Let me see. Getting closer. Civilization. Oh boy. I'm gonna go to the gas station, get some cold drink and some ice cream, and then I'm gonna go to my room in the Super 8 and take a shower. Oh my god, 20 miles. My legs are dead. Oh, road! Yay! And that's my hotel, Super 8. Oh, hello town. So happy. I made it!